The priorities for sustainability link very closely to the 4 key goals that we've set in our new university strategy, because what we've tried to do over many years now is integrate sustainability fully into all of the operations and goals and activities of the university.
The first change was when we went for the ISO 14001 environmental accreditation. We were the first English university to gain accreditation across the whole university.
The important thing about the new standard is focusing on top management, so we have to demonstrate top management commitment to our corporate environmental management system.
At the end of the day, we all want to feel that we are making a lasting impact for the future and taking sustainability seriously, working on the 3 main aspects, so financial, environmental and social. Bringing that all together is a morally right and responsible thing to do, and I'm really proud to be able to play my part in that.
It's about making connections between things that people sometimes see as separate, and we need to understand that what we do in our little corner of the world has consequences for other people in their corner of the world. We aren't separate to each other, we're all part of one big system.
The main business benefit goes back to the core service that we can offer for students. Our business is the way that we support our students to learn, to develop, to gain in capability and confidence. So the business benefit of the university in sustainability is helping us do that really well for our key set of customers, clients and partners who are our students.
Sustainability is important for student experience because the students of today are the professionals of the future, and it's really important therefore that they get a really holistic experience of what impact they can make in the world to create a better world once they do graduate.
It's about enabling students to start to think about their futures. It's also about the way that students think about their career path, the way that they start to develop their ethical approaches.
There's many areas of education for sustainability and the underpinning principles that really work well for our students and their development. It's also the type of thing that employers really want.
Those principles are all designed to make sure that the kind of education we're giving our students is equipping them to be something more than specialists who were trained in one discipline.
The underpinnings of what we think about education for sustainability are really important for all students, for all staff, for all courses. And we want, all subject areas to be thinking about, how they can make more of that.
The Learning Innovation for Tomorrow programme arose as a next step to deepen what this university is doing to build sustainability thinking and principles. It sets up an intentional collaboration between our Education for Sustainability work and our central academic development work with our academic development unit.
The Regeneration project is unique in that it breaks down the walls of academia and opens out to the community and works with them in a very pragmatic way. Regeneration has created a platform for cross-generational exchange of skills where retired engineers and electricians can teach my students the skills that would be lost, and my students can teach those engineers and electricians the future technology such as 3D printing, and they can work together to find the sustainable solutions that we are looking for.
Well, I think we've got a social responsibility as a university, so for me I think it's really important that we get the message across so that we've got impact in terms of managing that sustainability message.
Procurement is one of the touch points for supporting sustainability, in that we can make a real difference by specifying what we buy to the sustainability of our operations.
Catering has a massive influence, food aspect, disposable aspect, and you've also got electric use. So being able to cover all 3 areas, understanding what sustainability is and what I can affect with it.
I think we started out, as most universities did, by looking at carbon, attempting to reduce carbon in our impacts through the capital projects. But in terms of recent years, I think the message now is much more focused in terms of wider sustainability.
Our support for public and civic engagement through sustainability is generally through the RCE7.
Hosting the RCE is really important to us as a university as it provides an opportunity to connect with local community organisations, to share expertise and to enhance student experience.
This is also part of a wider internationalisation agenda that the university as a whole is pursuing. You know, we're looking at opportunities that expand beyond, you know, the borders of the county and certainly beyond the borders of the UK.
I'm very proud of what the university's achieved over many years now in sustainability, because I think it's so important as a component of the way we develop our students for what their lives will be by the time they leave.